Hi Vitamart family, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be breaking down all the things that you need to do if you get sick this season. My name is Nikki and I'm going to break down all the at-home recipes that you can do if you get sick and how to prevent sickness as well. It's been getting really chilly outside recently and it's become pretty easy to catch a contagious sickness outside. Let's start off with how you should even prevent your colds from happening. So obviously you want to make sure that your whole immune system and your body and mind are healthy. And the way to do this is of course to drink plenty of water, keep a balanced diet, and fill your body with nutritious foods, and also just taking supplements. A lot of people like to brush off supplements saying that they don't need them, they don't do anything, etc. But for me personally, I have found that there's a big difference in the vitamin D3 that I get. I take Best Vitamins vitamin D3, looks like this. So vitamin D3 is very helpful for the fall and winter seasons because the sun is not coming out that much, you're not going outside much because it's colder, and sitting inside all day is not going to get you that natural vitamin D3 from the sun. So instead, taking 1 to 5 of these a day will help you get that vitamin D3 that you would usually get in the summer from the sun. Now, say you get sick, what are the next steps? How do you treat a cold? Some of these are going to sound super basic, but let's go over them. So number 1 is staying hydrated. Obviously, drink plenty of water, fill your body up with lots of fluid to just wash all that sickness out. Make sure you're drinking at least half a gallon per day, which is about 8 cups. If you have trouble drinking water, I recommend getting a tumbler, like one of those little Starbucks cups, and I just carry that around with me everywhere and I'm always like sipping on my water. Number 2, rest. You gotta let your body rest. You gotta, you can't go out while you're sick. You gotta just lay in bed. Your body automatically revives during your sleep, so it helps a lot during sickness. Number 3, how to treat a sore throat. So my favorite little remedy that I like to do for sore throats is getting a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of lemon juice, mixing those together and just drinking that and trying to leave it in your throat so that all the bacteria and like all the soreness kind of like goes away. It instantly makes your throat feel so much better and it actually works. So I do it a couple times a day, at least once a day, and over time the sickness just goes away. The sore throat goes away. Number 4, if you want to relieve congestion, my remedy that I do for this is salt water. So I mix a little bit of salt in warm water and I put it in a cup and I literally like breathe it in. You could also do this and gurgle it in your throat, and that also helps relieve a sore throat a little bit. But yeah, otherwise getting a nasal spray is also very easy. It's kind of like the same thing, like saline solution, and just putting that through your nose and it will relieve your congestion. Number 5, drink warm liquids, and pretty much only warm liquids. I don't know what people say about drinking cold water while you're sick. Ice water, like that doesn't work for me. It just makes my sore throat hurt more. So I always like drinking warm liquids. And the last thing is to add moisture to your environment. So a humidifier works great for this. It instantly, makes your air much fresher to breathe, and it's great for congestion again. So we highly recommend you follow all these tips to prevent a sickness. These are just really simple at-home remedies that you could do. Medication, of course, is going to help as well, but these remedies are great to go hand in hand with the medication. If you enjoyed this video and you think it helped you, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye!